Have you ever wondered if there's a social video app that actually lets you post freely without constant censorship? Clapper has been making headlines lately for promising exactly that: a space where you can share short videos, go live, join communities, and even earn money from fans. But how much of that hype holds up under closer inspection? For starters, Clapper is available on both Google Play and the Apple App Store, making it easy for anyone to download and start using. And the fact that it's on these platforms adds a layer of safety that many new apps lack. The company also provides multiple ways to contact support, including email, phone, and a physical address, which isn't something every emerging social app offers. On the social media front, Clapper maintains an active presence on Facebook, Instagram with over 44K followers, and X, suggesting they are making an effort to stay visible and connected with users. Leadership transparency is another point in its favor, with founder Edison Chun having a public LinkedIn profile, which adds credibility. User feedback is mostly positive, with an average rating of 4.5 stars on the Play Store, and some Reddit users describe it as a solid alternative to TikTok for people looking for fewer restrictions. However, not everything is perfect. Some users report bugs, occasional slow updates, or lower earnings for creators compared to larger platforms, which indicates it's still a work in progress. Overall, Clapper appears to be a legitimate platform with potential, but it also comes with the typical growing pains of a newer app. For anyone considering it, it's worth exploring cautiously, keeping in mind both its opportunities and limitations before investing too much time or effort.